पुलीस हेडक्वार्टर्साक आयतारा पुलीस परेड जाली। गोय पुलिशेक NSG प्रमाणे प्रशिक्षण दितले। सद्याक अस्तित्वान आशिल्ल्या पुलीस मुख्यालयाकडेन नवी पुलीस मुख्यालयाची इमारत येतली। त्या भायर राज्यातल्या विविध पुलीस स्थानकांचे नवीनीकरण जातले म्हण गोय पुलीस महासंचालक मुकेश कुमार मीना उलयल्यात। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
A long list of police stations, but we are making efforts. Construction of Kepe and police station and Santa Cruz OP is going on. It will be completed soon. And other police stations, they don't have building. They will be provided buildings. Projects are in pipeline. The police headquarters, there is less accommodation, so we have a plan here only to build the office complex for police headquarters. So work is also going on for this. In fact, all these, if we don't have proper accommodation, if we don't have proper infrastructure, we can't function. We are grateful to Goa government. They are very quick to provide us facilities, to provide funds. It is not like in some other states, some police, they don't get enough fund. We get enough fund. We get enough support from the government. And due to this, you can see there are huge, some of the buildings are very huge, very good. And good buildings will come up. There was a problem for training. So we are developing training facilities. In Valpoi also, we will train. Like, I am very particular about training, parade and refresher courses. The regular training is there. That is one thing. And then firing. Because firing is also, practice is also required. So we have decided that we will have regular refresher courses for our personnel. All ranks, state officer up to constable. We are planning 2021, we will have regular courses at different places and for different subjects. Because law changes, lot of issues are also there. So everybody should be updated regarding this. For that, we will improve our library facilities also. For police stations, we will ensure that books required for police stations will be provided. Our boys are not incompetent. They are equally competent as of NSG. But because of some lack of equipments, because of lack of training, the difference, because they got highly sophisticated equipments, we don't have. They have got good training. And I tell you, when ATS and local police and other units, they participated in mock drill during debriefing session, which I also attended. It was, their comment was, the Goa Police is excellent from anti-terror capability point of view.